What's going on, my YouTube model car community? This is Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. This kit here, I mentioned it in one of my last videos. It's the 85 Oldsmobile 442 FE3X. It's a show car that was on the circuit quite a while back. It competed with the Corvette suspension and all this, and I wanted to build this kit, so I got it as a gift exchange at our November of last year, gift exchange for the Model Car Mafia meeting. So I'm supposed to have this thing done by November's club meeting. So what I want to do is I wanted to challenge myself to do a box stock build, and guess what? This is the kit I'm going to do it on. So let's check out what's in the box, and after this what's in the box part, I'll show you the progress I've done on the 2 Henry J's I'm building. And what I'm trying to do is get everything started. So this is kind of my start for the Oldsmobile. So anyway, let's check this kit out. And I've got me like a backdrop. This should make it kind of nice. You guys can kind of see what the body's like. The body looks pretty good so far. Yeah, a little sink mark here. What I don't like about this kit is everything in the engine compartment's like molded in. I can't stand that, but we'll deal with it. The plastic seems to be pretty nice. This is a limited, their special edition kit by Revell. So that's the body. Let's check this out. Now, what I thought was cool about this kit, got a lot of parts, guys. This kit has a lot of parts. Got 2 hoods, which the version I'm going to build is going to have this hood. So that's pretty nice. The other side should be pretty easy to clean this hood up. Nice and crisp. The front end and the rear and the steering wheel, nice and clean. I hope it goes on nice. The ground effects package looks like that'll be going on the version I build. So and another set, I think this one's got the ground effects on it, one doesn't. So we will use the custom version. See how many parts this kit's got in it? I haven't been able to post a video in a while, so I've been so busy with those Henry J's, man. It doesn't look like I've got a lot done, but you'll see. Here's the bottom pan. Looks to be pretty nice. What I don't like is how they do this, but we'll get over it. Life goes on, huh, guys? Look at these door panels, man. Super nice. Super nice, man. This is gonna be a pretty nice little build. Even doing it box stock, there's so much detail on this thing. So hopefully, I get to bring it to Utah when I go there. So if it's box stock, I mean, I guess I can't do any carpet in here, so it's gonna have to be. I'm gonna have to live with it, and I like to flop the carpets in my kit, so. You guys see what I mean by a lot of parts? Look at that. Wow. Wow, guys, things got so many parts to it. Let's do one tree at a time so you guys can see. So it's got the drive shaft molded into the rear end. I can deal with that. Pretty detailed though, looks pretty good. Motor still looks pretty good. So yeah, intake, radiator, it's got a bunch of parts here, fan here. Still looks pretty, like it's super detailed, man. Exhaust. Yeah, wow, that's pretty nice. There's more stuff, guys. I mean, I can't believe how much stuff comes with this kit. You can see I haven't really looked at it. I haven't cut anything open until this video, so you got, let's do this, it's better. Two versions of the wheels, which these are gonna go on there. Wow, pretty detailed. I've said that 1,000 times, huh? And the glass, which I'll leave till later to open. So you guys see that. I'll show you guys the decal sheet, the decal sheet. So we'll be using a lot of these for the version I'm doing. It's pretty nice. Decals are still good. So yeah, this is the kit. So that being said, that's the kit in a nutshell. So let's move the video over to the Henry J's, because this video is going to be pretty long. So I mean, I'm pretty much going to show you where I'm at with this. I put all my kits like in stages inside one of these drawer things, and it's got like 3 drawers on there, and I can build more than one kit at a time. So this is where I'm at with the Henry J. It's got lint and stuff all over it, but you know, that's life. I've already drilled this and put these on here for the hood to latch to. Strikers, put strikers and stuff in there. So I pretty much got everything primered on each kit. Okay, and I primered the interior on this one white because I'm going to go white. I drilled that out. I've got a lot of the stuff drilled. Let me see if I can back this off a little bit. I've got a lot of it drilled. I don't want to take it all out. So you can see that's the first kit. And then, let me see. The second kit kind of looks the same, but the interior is going to be black. So I primered it in black and going from there. So everything's in there. Stuff I might use, stuff I might not. Okay. So now for the motors, I'll show you what I got here. Let me try to do this here. These are Iceman resin motors. If you haven't seen, I'm a big fan of like a lot of his resin engines. All the stuff's pretty nice. I've cleaned these up. They look pretty good. So everything's in primer. The detail's still there. Doesn't take too much to make one of these things look really good, you know. So I'll show you what they look like when they're done. And this is supposed to be on there, so those lines. It's supposed to be on this kit, so. Cleans up really nice. Valve covers, 2 different kinds. show you the other one. Same valve cover. I'll show you the other valve cover in a minute. The scoop, really nice and defined. Cleans up really easy. The heads, really clean. Here's one of the carburetors that come with this kit. Dominator carb. The belt. And it gives you an option to do your pulleys separate, and which that's probably the option I'm going to go. That's why I didn't really clean the other one up as good as I could have. The headers, which are different headers that I'm putting on this kit just to make it fit in the thing, so that doesn't actually come with them, but they're pretty nice. Here's the other set of valve covers that came with this kit. Really nice and crisp. There's the other carbs, dual carbs. Air filters, real nice and clean. I didn't have to do much to clean this thing, guys. So the detail on these things are like nice, man. So pretty much, look, the MSD distributor, how nice and clean that is. So pretty much that is the motor I'm going to put into this one, and this same engine looks the same. It's going to go into the other one. One's going to, I'm thinking I'm going to do one as a gasser and one as a regular Pro Street. So they'll both be a little different. So that's pretty much my shop update and of what's in the box for the next build. I'm going to start prepping up right now. What I'm going to try to do is get 3 or 4 builds in primer, and then I'm going to start slinging some paint on these things and go from there. So I'm going to try to get like this done, and maybe even the Roadrunner maybe into primer, maybe the bus into primer, and then we'll start. You'll see a lot of shop update in the future, so it'll be like maybe some noticeable progress on the builds in probably one of my next videos. So anyway, so this video is going on 13 minutes. I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but you do, and I appreciate it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I promise you the next video is going to be nothing but progress. So you guys take care. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye, guys.